Hello student, today we study type of resistance. In our previous video we study about the resistance. Mainly resistance is two types, series and parallel. Mix is a combination form of both series and parallel resistance. Let's study about the series combination. Here we take three resistance. First we define what is series combination. When first resistance and point is directly connected with second resistance initial point, that combination is known as series combination. This is the circuit diagram for the series resistance. Here V is the potential and I is the total current which flowing through these resistance. Across R1 resistance potential is V1 and R2 across V2 and R3 across V3. This is the consideration for this diagram. Now, according to Ohm's law, V equals to IR. Here we find the net potential. So, we write V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3 for three resistance. This is our equation first. In form of Ohm's law equation, we write potential of V1. V1 potential is across R1 resistance and current flow in R1 is I. So, here we write I R1. Similarly for V2, in V2 is across R2 and current flow I2. Similarly for V3, across V3 resistance is R3 and current flow I. So here we write I R3. All these value we put in equation first and get, here I is common, so we can write like this, I R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here I take common IR. I is cancel both sides, so we get R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here this is the formula for resistance in series. Here we write S denote resistance in series. This formula used in numerical. Now we find resistance in parallel. This combination is known as resistance in parallel. Here we take three resistance R1, R2 and R3. You can take number of resistance. This is circuit diagram for parallel resistance. I is the total current. When I current is flowing through it, now this is divided into three parts, 1, 2 and 3. So in this we take I1, here we take I2 and here we take I3. So the total current is equals to sum of I1 plus I2 plus I3. So here we find the total current and potential across R1, R2, R3 is V. This is the potential. This is consideration for this. We use Ohm's law, V equals to IR. Here we find the net current. So I equals to V upon R. Now we write I for first value, I1. I1 current flow through the R1 resistance. So resistance will be R1 and potential along R1 is V. So we write here V upon R1. Similarly for I2. Potential is same for all the resistance, so V upon here I2 current flowing along R2, so we write R2. Similarly I3 equals to V upon R3. All these value we put in equation first and get this term. Now we take V as a common, so V take common, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. V upon R. V is cancel both sides. So the final result is 1 upon R equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This is the formula for resistance in parallel. Here we write P for parallel combination. You can take n number of resistance. Both these formula used in numerical, and in mixed combination we use both. Here we make a circuit using four resistance R1, R2, R3, R4. Here we have to find a combination. Now in first case, R1 resistance is directly contact with R2. So this combination is known as series combination. And R3 and R4 is connected to this. Parallel combination understand like this: when first terminal is connected with positive and last terminal is connected with negative end. So this is parallel combination. The sum of the final result R1 R2 in series. So here we write the total resistance for series combination, and now here we write total resistance for parallel combination. Final circuit is like this in series combination. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment. Thank you.